Hey there guys, I hope you're all fine. So today in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to use CapCut. So this will be a pretty beginner type video. Let's get started. So simply click on CapCut. So as I've said, we are just learning the basics. So I'm trying to keep it at a beginner level. So when you click on CapCut, you will see an interface like this. So don't get worried. If you have a video that you want to add, you need to simply click on New Project. So simply click on it and you will be redirected to your gallery or your file manager, and it will show you all the videos and photos that you have. You can go to photos from here. I will just simply add a video here just for an example. Okay, so you just need to click on it, and if you want to add multiple videos, so what you need to do is you can click one by one on every video that you want to add and simply add it. I have already added one video. I will try to show you by going one by one with every step. So first of all, we have imported our video in the timeline. This is the timeline. You can drag it, so you can do edits precisely, and once you are done you can zoom it out. So as you can see, I am stretching my two fingers here. The video is not being increased, the size is not being increased, just the timeline is being increased here. So now I will show you how you can trim. So say for example, I want to trim after here, so I'll just simply click here, and you can also grab from this side. I want to remove this side, so I'll just simply grab it from the left side. Alright, okay, so that's how you can trim it. And there is another way by which you can trim. Say for example, I want to trim the part after here when the Hulkbuster lands. Okay, I want to trim the part of Bucky, so I will simply click on split option here, as you can see. So it will split the video from that. So I want to trim this part, so I have to cut it on both sides if I want to delete this part completely. So simply drag it here and click on split, and now you need to click on this file and simply click on delete if you want. So now we will see how it works. As you can see, we have precisely cut out the part. I will show you how you can change the format of this video. You just need to scroll on right and you will find an option called format. So now if you want to put the video on, say for example, like Reels or YouTube Shorts, you can click on this 9:16 format, and you can just simply increase the size of your video so that it fits the screen. Okay, so it's looking good now. So that's how you can change the format of the video. So click on this white box here, and now as you can see, there are a number of transition effects that are appearing here. It's the basic section that we are in currently now. You can add any. So I will just select this one. Okay. You can also click on effects and click on video effect, and just click on basic, and now click on shake, and you can add this effect from here. So I will just make it here. Alright, so this is an effect, and okay, so it's looking kind of nice to me. So as you can see, the shake effect is looking perfect. You can also adjust it and increase the intensity of it, and maybe increase or decrease the speed. Decrease the speed and increase the intensity. And now we will go to filters. You can also add filters if you want. You can adjust the contrast, brightness, saturation, exposure, many things. You can add filters from here. There are filters for food, for movies. I will simply click on dark brown and see how it works. Okay, it's looking good. You can also check how it's looking previously by simply clicking on the video. As you can see, it's looking good. Okay, so I will select this one. You can also add an overlay here if you want to add a video here on the top of the video, say here. You can also do it like that. You can click on splice and click on filter overlay. Basically you can do many things from here. You can also add text. You can edit the text by clicking on the text. Okay, by clicking on this pencil icon here, you can click on style. I will simply change the font. Alright, you can click on effects. You can change the style. You can create animation here. How will it look when it enters? Okay, I will simply select this one, and you can also choose the out animation. How will it look? I will select the same. You can increase this, you can increase the length of the animations. You can click on effects. You can also do font tracking here. It is a very cool option, you must try it. Okay, we will try to test it by clicking on tracking, and it will tell you select an object to track. We will just select his eye here and click on start tracking. It will only be perfect. Okay, so it was kind of perfect until he got smashed out. You can also add stickers from here if you want. You can add emojis, or you can add a picture. You can do basically many things. You just need to be creative enough. You can select the canvas and click on blur, and it will blur the video here. Alright, so you can also click on style and add some effects from here if you want. You can also click on cosmic effect. You can click on stabilize, and you can also stabilize the video if it is moving too much, but since it's a Hollywood movie, it is already stabilized. You can, if you have a video that is not stabilized, you can click on stabilize option. You can also reduce noise by clicking on reduce noise. You just need to click on this. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you found the video beneficial. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. See you soon. Have a good day.